Today we're here in Newnan, Georgia, and I'd like to take you around and show you one of our recently completed vinyl pool spa combinations in a very tough and challenging backyard. During this project we deal with one of the most challenging grade changes, and that is horizontal directional grade change. As you can see behind me, I've got a retaining wall that was constructed by our team. It stands about 5 feet high, and what it does is it breaks up this entire terrain of this yard, knocks it down from a higher finish to a lower finish to create a nice flat surface for our pool on the lower tier deck. We made up the other 2 foot by exposing the pool wall. That gives us the capability to actually build the pool to the grade of the yard while creating a more aesthetically pleasing pool as well as a more functional space with a 3-tier deck system. The most important functional space inside a pool is the shallow end. The shallow end behind me on this vinyl pool is constructed with a 6-inch tanning ledge, custom entry point with a couple benches wrapping around the spa as well. These areas are great for non-swimmers as well as adults relaxing by the bubblers. So if you have a backyard with an extreme grade change, give us a call and see what we can do for you.